Hi guys, welcome back to Company Hearing YouTube channel. Today we have a great opportunity from Cision. Cision is hiring data analyst role in India. You will work as a data analyst managing data and creating reports and supporting senior team members. If you love working with Excel, PowerPoint and data, this role is perfect for you. Students from 2023, 2024, 2025 batches can apply. You just need a bachelor degree and some basic knowledge of excellent data analysis. The best part, this job is 100% remote, so you can work from anywhere in India. To apply, visit my YouTube video description, or you can visit season.com career page and fill the form and upload your resume. And so don't waste time, apply now and start with career with Season. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, friends. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share my YouTube channel with your friends. I need more views for this video. Thank you for watching again. If you have any queries, feel free to in comment section. I will answer as much as possible. Thank you. Support me, guys. Thank you.